Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have just finished my right shoulder for my cardigan, and now I'll show you how to join this back yoke and these two, right and left shoulder, using right twist to join. So for I'm knitting size is small, so for extra small to medium you'll use right twist to join this sleeve. For medium to 5XL you'll use underarm cast on to join this sleeve. So I'll be joining this sleeve using right twist to join. So I'll show you here how to do this. So first we have here right shoulder, left shoulder, and this is the back yoke, and my working needle is here, so I'm going to use the same needle. And first you're gonna transfer all these left shoulder stitches to a spare needle, any size spare needle you can use. So I'm gonna transfer all these left shoulder stitches to this needle. And I'm gonna knit all these stitches with this needle, say working needle. You should use new yarn. I'm going to use another one. Join the new yarn in the middle of here. So I have this much left, so I'm gonna use new yarn. So to secure this, I'm gonna make a knot here. Now it's secured, and knit to the end of this sleeve, left shoulder. So I have knitted my left shoulder stitches, and now we have these back yoke stitches. And we're going to transfer these back yoke stitches to a spare needle. And here we're going to join this part and this part. So first you're going to do, in the pattern it says undo the last stitch. What it means is you're going to undo this last stitch and place it on your right hand needle. And now we're going to do right twist to join here. So first we have to undo this last stitch and this stitch and this first stitch from your left hand needle. I'm going to twist this. I'm going to twist this two. First place this last stitch to your left hand needle and twist like so. Bring this stitch over this stitch, right? And you're gonna knit this two. Knit this two. We have twisted this stitch and knit two. So before you knit this stitch, you're gonna place a marker here and knit. Place a stitch marker between of these two twisted stitch, right? Because we'll be decreasing stitches after this row, either side of this stitch marker, here and here. So you have to place a marker here and knit to end for this back yoke. And I have just finished my back yoke, and here we have right shoulder, and we're going to join here. Using this last stitch and this first stitch, we're going to right twist to join. Sorry. So first you're gonna undo this last stitch and place it on your right hand needle and place it on your left hand needle, and now you're gonna bring this stitch over this stitch here, see, and then you knit these two. Knit one first and place a marker in between of these two twisted stitch and knit another one, and here you should tighten up and then knit to end for the right shoulder. And after joining, your sweater looks like this. See, we have 10 joining for the armhole here and here.